国际新闻，咱来关心太平洋岛国巴布亚纽几内亚首都伫七10日时发生暴动，原因是安全部队的人员发现因的薪水封口压，转去国会发起抗议，有人趁机会放火佮抢劫，尾也有造成上报16个人死亡。当地政府已经宣布首都进入14天的紧急状态。
伫暗暝建筑道火烧甲真猛，互人看甲真着惊。走路一万人看到真侪人趁乱抢劫点头。太平洋岛国巴布亚纽几内亚实在发生骚乱，真侪人去街路放火抢劫，造成10多人死亡。
48 years of independence, I can't recall in my lifetime seeing this level of devastation in a single day event. It's just senseless, it's unacceptable, and we just need to have a really good hard look at ourselves and challenge to how we got to this place and what we're doing to make sure we come out of it pretty quickly.
代志发生时，巴纽安全部队人员发现，最近一摆薪水接受金额减少，不满遭到无有减减薪水发起罢工，佮去国会抗议。结果首都莫斯比港马上陷入混乱，几点钟了后，佮拖甲北平差不多300公里的来程。巴纽总理马拉佩宣布，首都进入14天紧急状态，佮派出超过1000人的部队戒备维持治安。了后，马拉佩也将警察署长、财政部长甲真侪高级官员停职。佢表示，政府会调查这个暴动原因。
We look into where that organisation and where that support came from. Full administrative as well as criminal investigation will take place. We'll go through this one. State of emergency will be under the command of Deputy Police Commissioner, now Acting Police Commissioner Yamasumi.
英国的澳洲总理艾巴尼斯表示，密切关注巴纽情势。目前还未接到巴纽政府要求协助平乱。中国外交部是指出，这动乱造成2个中国公民受轻伤，而且有真一间中国人开的店，互暴民抢劫。公司新闻陈伟仁报道。